Millin here from teslataxi.com.au, just giving a quick demo drive of this particular road with the new version of the autopilot software installed. So we've just pulled over to install this one, and we're just going to test the car on the same road as we did a moment ago and see if there's any differences to how it reacts with all the twists and turns to the previous version. I think the notifications on the display here should be updated now to show the new driver warning system. However, the last time we did this drive, it did actually come up with the warnings sooner than this particular drive, so not too sure if that's actually going to demonstrate on this particular demo. It does seem to be a little bit smoother than it was the last time we did this drive about an hour ago before the software update, but everything seems to be running pretty smoothly with the new software. And I'll make another video showing what the car does on a more standard road without as many twists and turns. Yeah, that's the new notification up there. It used to be a small text box down here, but now it's a big notification up the top when you need to touch the steering wheel. And as I said, because this has the new version of the software on it now, there's a few other changes to how the software works. So for example, if we indicate to our left there, if there was a car in the lane here, it would actually come up red here on the side as a driver warning for a car in your blind spot. So those are the main differences with the new software that the Teslas now have in the 2024 version of the autopilot. And I'll just show you in the software section on this car. The other thing is, if you are playing with the screen, as you can see there, it does come up with a different warning, just making sure that you are paying attention to the road. So the eye tracking up here is working much more effectively in the new version of the software. So that's the version number we've currently got installed. And teslataxi.com.au if you'd like to rent a Tesla. And if you are wanting to rent a Cybertruck, we are launching a service in America for Cybertruck rentals next month called cybertruckrentalsusa.com if you are watching this from America. And on that website you will be able to see pricing next month for what we can offer for a 1 or 2 week Cybertruck rental in America. And in Australia we are hoping to have a couple of the Cybertrucks imported for off-road use only and hopefully boat mode, and those should be arriving hopefully before the end of this year. So yeah, if you'd like to check out that website from the teslataxi.com.au website, you can scroll down to the bottom and find links to those other American websites for the Cybertruck rentals. Feel free to connect on X, Millin-Bear, if you'd like to list your Cybertruck for rental, or if you have any need for a Tesla rental in Australia. We've got the Model 3s and the Model Ys ready to go now. Thank you.